Hello. Well, today, again, I'm going to rant and rave for 4 or 5 minutes and then time you for one. In The Biology of Belief, Bruce Lipton writes about getting his first microscope when he was 9 years old, and he's looking at the cells under the microscope, and he says, "These are little people." And he spent the rest of his life studying these little individuals and being totally fascinated by them. Now we cut to 1985, and he tells this transformational story. I'm a sucker for transformational stories. He's teaching at a medical school, teaching about cells, and not a happy guy. And he's trying to write down a definition of this magic membrane, which has, as thin as it is, has 3 layers and does amazing things in interface with other cells, with the space between. And he comes up with this definition. The membrane is a liquid crystal semiconductor with gates and channels. And he writes that down. He says, "Geez, I've seen that before somewhere." And he finds he just had gotten his first computer, and he finds the manual, Understanding Your Microchip Computer, and he reads that a silicon chip is a crystal semiconductor with gates and channels. It's the same thing. In fact, as he says, as you know, history shows, science shows that they are the same. The silicon chip and this liquid crystal semi-porous membrane, this magic membrane. And what he realized at that moment was, just like the chip, the silicon chip, the cell is programmable through the membrane. And that the program is from the outside, that it's programmed from the outside, not from within the cell. The environment, biological behavior, and gene activity are dynamically linked to the information from the environment, which is downloaded into the cell. And the transformational part of it was he realized that he was programmable from the outside, that he could change his life, his biology, by believing different things. You could see where that plugs into the biology of belief and spontaneous evolution. So I'm just fascinated by this myself, and can't get over how it feels like we are reprogramming our cells down to the nucleus by the soft relational presence, ease of being with each other in relational presence. Okay, I could go on. That's it for now. Thank you for listening. 1 minute now, or more if you pause, with you. Finish up. Appreciation all around. I will see you tomorrow.